color? Orange. Tomatoes. What does the car say? The car says. What does the car say? Car says.
Whoa, you want whoa?
That's your water bottle. The car says. The car says. What does the car says? It's pasta.
Yeah.
You like pasta?
Thank you.
Did you enjoy your pasta?
What are the other perks in that company, Dane?
Teddy,
Are they like
pasta.
flight deals?
Pasta. Lemon.
And they only
That's
lost
a
because I'm
lemon.
not sure if you remember the last play.
Like lemon.
I think 2 of them got the rebound. The other guy was supposed to just, dunk it back.
Yummy? Is it good? Yes? Oh, you like it? Teddy! Wow, thank you. Oh. Nabuhat niyo, ang bigat-bigat. You like flowers? Flowers. That's mommy's flowers.
Come on na, let's go na. We're say bye-bye na. Ano ba found that? Bye-bye. Getting wet.
1 more minute.
1 more minute.
1 more minute.
Sige, time's up.
Time's up.
Oh, meron ba palang ano dito? Oh, it's okay. Say bye-bye to the fountain. Say bye-bye to the fountain.
1 more minute. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye. Come on. Ay, basta makakala na.
Just came home from a lunch with my family. Kasama ko si Hannah and my mom-in-law and Hannah's boyfriend as well. And they gave me these flowers. It's really, really nice. So I really appreciate them. Today's my birthday. And so yeah, that's that's how we celebrated it. We just had lunch somewhere. family lunch lang. Tapos, ayos natin tong flowers. Medyo magulo ang ating bahay. Kaya, may ayusin ko ang kabahayan. So, Hannah and Dane, thank you so much for the flowers. So pretty there. It's a peach-colored rose. Tusok ako ng thorn. Sakit. Wanna say hi to the camera? Hello! Likot niya sobra. Si toddler stage na eh. Say hi! Say hi! Hello! Okay guys, so hello! Tayo ay nagbabalik muli sa vlog. Kasi naisip ko, alam mo parang ang sarap i-document yung wala lang yung buhay namin, ni Sedi, tsaka wala, para kasing, noong isang araw kasi pinapanood ko yung mga vlogs ni Sedi, nung baby siya, tapos sobrang na-miss ko, sobrang sarap lang sa feeling na I was able to document all those precious moments. And I wanna document more, and I wanna watch more of those kinds of videos, family videos. Kaya sabi ko, why don't I continue vlogging? Para nang sa ganon, you know, in the future, I can watch them back again. Nakamiss din kasi, and to be honest, ang bilis talaga nila lumaki. So, right now, multitasking tayo. So, naglilinis ako ng bote habang nagkukwentuhan. So, konting kwento lang. Ayun nga, right now, my son is already 18 months. So, 1.5-year-old na siya. Imagine, napakabilis ng panahon, guys. Parang kung kailan lang, diba? Nagpa-vlog lang ako na buntis ako, kung ano yung what's in my pregnancy bag or hospital bag. Tapos, dina-document ko yung pregnancy, what I eat during my 3rd trimester. And now, we're here. Nandito na tayo at 1 taon at kalahati na siya. Napakabilis ng panahon. Toddler stage na. Hindi na nga siya baby eh. Kaya, medyo nang hinayang nga ako. Parang naisip ko nga, sana palaki ng tingyo ko dati. Nung baby pa siya, nag-video ako. Although, I did took some clips. Kaso, mga pang reels, ganyan. Masarap pa rin naman panoorin yun. Pero, wala lang. Ayun. Nakatuwa. Ang bilis talaga ng panahon, guys. Ayun, kamusta naman kayo dyan? Sana okay kayo lahat. Ako, okay naman. So, alam mo na. So, of course, fully recovered na tayo after a year and a half. I took a year of paternity leave back then. And then after a year, I went back to work. Tapos, pinasok ko si Sedi sa childcare nung 1-year-old na siya. And he has been going there for 4 days a week now. Pero dati, 2 days a week lang. Tapos, ayun, adjustment period. Parang simula muna, parang 2 days a week. And then, naging 3 days, naging 4 days. Para naman hindi abrupt na biglang 4 days siya doon. Noong una, sobrang hirap. Especially for him kasi umiiyak talaga siya pag iniiwan doon. Siyempre, hindi siya sanay sa environment. Sobrang kawawa, nakaawa. Pero, ano, sanay na siya ngayon. And ngayon, mas gusto niya na doon halos kaysa dito sa bahay. Hindi, joke lang. Parang masaya siya pag iniiwan namin siya doon. May mga kalaro siya. Marami nilang activities. Marami siyang mga kasamang educators or yung mga parang teacher niya or carers, ganyan. And he really enjoyed his day during pag nasa childcare siya. Hey, Sedi. Nandito si Sedi nang wala. Walang choice kundi i-childcare talaga yung anak. Especially pagka walang kasama sa bahay na mag-aalaga. Like, walang parang lola na naka-stay sa bahay. Or walang yaya, ganyan. Hindi naman kasi uso dito yung yaya. Unlike sa Philippines, medyo may option na humanap na yaya to help take care of the baby or kiddos. But, yeah, mahirap pero kinakaya naman. So, it's just juggling between everything, you know, juggling between full-time job. Well, yeah, full-time yun, 4 days lang. Pero yeah, juggling between working, tapos taking care of the baby, taking care of the house, and of course, taking care of yourself din. Kasama yan sa juggling natin, diba? Kasi hindi mo naman pwedeng pabayaan yung sarili mo, diba? Kasi ikaw yung nagtatrabaho, ikaw yung nag-aalaga sa anak mo, sa pamilya mo. So, you have to really prioritize yourself as well. So, I am happy. I'm very happy that I'm back. So, ano ba yung mga abangan niyo sa akin today? Mainly lifestyle. Naisip ko kasi, parang hindi masyado sustainable yung meal prep. Although, doon tayo nakilala. Ang vlog natin ay nakilala sa pag-meal prep. Nagmi-meal prep pa din ako, guys, hanggang ngayon. Dahil pati yan talaga ng buhay namin. Ever since the world began. Joke. Oh my God, no! Sadie. Oh my God! Inabot niya ang aking stand. Naloka ako doon. Ganyan. Ganyan kalikot pag may toddler. Naka-usli yung konting part ng stand ko. Eh, naabot niya. Ang taas-taas nito. Ay, nakaloka. Wait, let's check the video. Ayan, safe naman. Ay, naloka ako doon. O, diba? Ang hirap. Ang hirap mag-ano ng toddler. Kailangan talaga tinitingnan mo yung bawat kilos niya. Kung saan siya nag-aakyat. Dahil, ito na yung stage na they like to explore things. Gusto nilang abutin lahat ng maaabot nila. Gusto nilang akyatin lahat ng maaakyat nila. So, very challenging. Pero kaya-kaya naman, of course. Ayun, nasa na ako. So, yun nga yung mga abangan nyo is more lifestyle videos lang. Kasi, pag meal prep, kasi sobrang nagmamadali ako pag meal prep at hindi ko na kayang i-document pa. Parang, wala akong masyadong time. Ang hirap gawan ng videos. So, sobrang busy mo as a mom. Busy ko as a mom. You know, doing a lot of things. So, kailangan mabilisan na lang. So, yun, pakita ko sa inyo yung buhay namin dito sa Australia. A young family. At baka somehow, sana may mga ma-inspire kami dyan na gusto pumunta dito, gusto mag-build ng family, and all that. Tapos, kung may mga questions kayo, mag-comment lang kayo sa description. Tapos, I'll try to answer them. Babasahin ko yun. Nagbabasa ako ng comments every time. And nagre-reply din ako. So, don't hesitate na mag-comment. Let me know kung ano yung tanong nyo, kung mayroon kayong concerns or suggestions. Baka gusto nyo mag-suggest. Ganyan, mukbang naman ito. Ayun lang. I hope you guys are having a good day. I think dito ko natatapusin. So, thank you kung may mga nanood na. Welcome back to my channel. I mean, bubuhayin ko ulit yung channel. So, hopefully, manood kayo. Subaybayan nyo ang buhay namin nila Sadie. By the way, may sabi ni Sadie. At tama kayo, nakuha ko yun sa cartoons. Alam nyo ba yun? Napanood nyo ba yun, Sadie? Yung cartoons nung bata pa tayo, yung mga kabatch ko dun. So, ayun. Thank you, guys. I will see you on my next vlog. Bye! Ayan siya. O, ayan ang ginagawa niya habang naghuhugas ako ng bote niya. Sadie, anong ginagawa mo? Sadie? Sadie, dirty dyan. Sadie, look at mommy. What are you doing? Sadie? Oh my gosh, naglalaro siya ng laway. Kakaligo lang yan. Grabe. Likot, likot. Ay, nako. Gentle? Just be gentle. Don't touch me. Mia's annoyed. Ay! Stop it! Stop it! Oh no! Wait. Just be gentle, be gentle, be gentle. Be gentle with Mia. Gentle. Gentle. Just be gentle. Can you be gentle with Mia? What are we gonna cook today? Oh, that's a lid. That's the lid. That's the cooking lid. So what are we gonna cook today? Can you cook me some eggs and hot dog? Huh? This one, mushroom. Mushroom. And oh, there's cucumber. Cucumber. What else is here? That would do. Let's cook. Can you put some pepper? Put some pepper. Very good.
Yung
Ako,
mga busog pa ako.
busog ka pa. Sabi
Wow,
natin lang. Wow, Daddy's cooking. Can I have some mushroom on my plate? Can I have some mushroom? Mushroom. Yay! Where's my spoon? I want to eat it. Do you want to eat? Pretend eat, pretend eat. Try it, trust it. Yum, 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 yum. Is it yummy? Mushrooms. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Yummy. Thank you, Sadie. Wanna try? Yeah, try the mushroom. It's really good. Pretend eat, just pretend. Just pretend. Oops. Uh-oh. Oh, pretend eat, just pretend. Pretend eat. It's very big. It won't fit the spoon. It's too big. Oh, pretend eat. Can you give mommy? Can you give it to mommy? Some to mommy? It's yummy. Is it yummy? That's a mushroom soup that you made. Is it yummy? Oh, you want some more pepper? Okay. That's enough. Enough pepper. Put it back. Good. That's your mushroom, and this is mommy's breakfast. I'm gonna have a hot dog with tomato sauce. Do you want some pepper with your mushroom? I'm sitting down. Yes, I'm sitting down. Oh. I'm sitting down. Oh, which one? Which sauce do you want? Do you want mustard or pepper? Do you want mustard? Do you want ketchup? Okay, put some ketchup. You want to sit with mommy? Huh? That's ketchup. Oh, look, I found a tomato. Let's put it there. It's a tomato. I'll put some pepper on my hot dog. And some mustard too. Yummy. Let's eat. Are you ready to eat? Let's eat, Teddy. Do you want to try? Pretend eat, just pretend. Teddy, can you show mommy that you can sing? Very good. Okay, mommy's gonna sing. When you wish upon a star. You don't put your mouth in there. Okay, Sadie's turn. Sadie's turn. Very good. Wow. My turn. When you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are. Okay, your turn.
Well done! Well done! You don't eat that, Sadie.
Oh, what color is that one? Color orange. Orange. Is another one? Oh, what are you doing? Color orange. Good job. There's another one. Color green. One more. Good job. Well done. Good job, baby.